The drive systems inside a greenhouse are used to precisely influence and control the ventilation and screening. To ensure secure operation and make every single drive unit aware of the range it can safely operate, limit switches need to be installed during the construction of a greenhouse. The limit switch tells the drive system what the position of the window or screen is and ensures that the drive system cannot cause any damage to the greenhouse structure. The installation of analog limit switches is a risky and complex process that requires quite some expertise, time, tools, and resources. In an average greenhouse of 10 hectares with 64 drive systems, this can approximately take 17 work hours and a minimum of 2 contractors. Ridder Smartdrive is a game-changing, intelligent drive system that provides a far easier, more precise, efficient, and time-saving limit switch installation process. In fact, the intelligent digital components inside the Smartdrive can automatically track the drive unit's motion and position and will take care of the biggest part of the installation itself. Without the need of any tools or specific expertise, the installer is guided through the installation. He can easily complete the limit switch installation of the first drive system with the push of just 4 buttons in a few minutes. After this, a Bluetooth transfer and dedicated smartphone app allows the installer to transfer the limit switch settings to all remaining uninstalled drive units in the same greenhouse compartment. This cuts down the limit switch installation time for a 10-hectare greenhouse to 1.5 hours, a decrease of more than 90%. After installation, the intelligent integrated position feedback and data generated by the Ridder Smartdrives also provides more accurate and intelligent control options for the climate computer. As well as this, Smartdrive provides insight on the load and use of the motors, which improves the maintenance and lifespan of the ventilation and screen mechanisms. 90% time-reducing installation. Easy installation without specific expertise or tools. Integrated position feedback. Intelligent communication with climate computer. Highly accurate ventilation and screening. Predictive maintenance. Ridder Smartdrive. Switch to the future.